which are used in commercial purposes in various industries and in MSCB. And therefore, first is if the turn ratio, that is ES is greater than EP. If turn ratio, that is NS is greater than NP, the number of turns in secondary greater than number of turns in primary, implies that one of the important ES is greater than EP. That is the output voltage is greater than input voltage, or IP, primary current is greater than secondary current. And therefore, for this condition, we get one of the important transformer, and that is called a step-up transformer. And such a step-up transformer is used in a various DP for a commercial purposes in MSCB. This is a step-up transformer. That is, output voltage is greater than input voltage. Output voltage is greater than when the number of turns of secondary coil greater than number of turns in primary. This is called a step-up transformer, which increases the voltage. Now, second is if NS is less than NP, and we can have ES less than EP, or IP less than IS. That is, the output voltage is less than input voltage, or input current is less than output current. And in this type, we get a step down transformer. In this way, we get the step down. And therefore, there are two types of transformer is defined by the turn ratio. When output number of turns of secondary coil is greater than primary, then the output voltage greater than input voltage, step up transformer. And when we get a step down, when the number of turns of secondary less than primary, that is the output voltage less than input, we get a step down transformer. In this way, this is the theory of transformer, and this is one of the important question for 4 marks. Now let us see the some points regarding to the value of K and M. Now there are some important points. Now first is if K is large, M is large, and the value of mutual depends on the coefficient of coupling. Therefore, M is large for transformer. It is desirable. It is very good for transformer when M is large, and M must be large for the transformer. But the value of M, large value of M, is not always desirable for some electrical equipment, such as our iron press or electric cloth dryer. In an electric cloth dryer or iron press, if M is large, which produces the extra secondary EMF increases very large, and it is very dangerous for the human being, and so that we call it the excessive heating. And this excessive heating is due to the if M is very large, and hence for such a home appliances, the value of M must be very small. When it is small, when the two coils are there counterwound on the iron core, and therefore the magnetic field produced by first and second coil cancel each other, and we decrease the value of M. This is very important thing. Now this is the second thing. Now third is the K, the value of K, and the value of K is 1. When the value of K is 1, when unity, we get M is equal to L. There is a perfect coupling between them, and therefore when K is unity, when M is equal to 1, and when the two coils are wound on the soft iron core. Just we have seen, this is the soft iron core on which the two coils are winding, and for this K is unity, and when K is unity, we get a value of M is very small. Now say fourth thing is for K. Now K is unity when K is very small, when the two coils are wound on the soft iron core. When they are wound on the soft iron core. Therefore, the K is maximum when the two coils, the axes of the two coils are parallel to each other. When the axes are parallel, the K is maximum. And when the two coils are perpendicular, when the axis of this is the first coil and this is the second coil, and therefore the axis of these two coils are perpendicular to each other, and at this stage the K is minimum. And therefore the value of K depends on the distance between the coil and the angle between two axes. When the two coils are parallel, the angle between them is 0. Hence K is maximum. When the two coils are perpendicular to each other, the K is minimum. And therefore when K is minimum, it is beneficial for some electrical devices. And therefore, for example, let us see for radio frequency transformer, and such a transformer used for the telecommunication in TV related station and TV receiving station, and the value of K changes from 0.001 to 0.05. This is the value of K for radio frequency transformer. That is the value of K is very small. When K is very small, it is very good for all the electrical equipment. Where K is small, M is minimum, and this is very good for some electronic devices. And in this way we see the characteristics of K and M. And this is the end of this chapter EMI. If we like this video, subscribe it and click on the like button. Thank you.